How dark is the universe? This question has puzzled scientists for decades, and finally, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft has provided an answer. Astronomers have long wondered just how much light is out there in the vast, dark expanses of space. We know about the stars, galaxies, and other luminous objects, but what about the light that isn't immediately visible? Enter New Horizons, a spacecraft that has ventured farther than any before it. Launched over 18 years ago, it's now more than 5.4 billion miles from Earth. This distant location offers the darkest skies ever observed by a human-made object, making it the perfect tool to measure the universe's total light. Why is this important? The total amount of light in the universe, known as the cosmic optical background or COB, is a critical component of understanding the cosmos. Measuring COB helps us add up all the light from galaxies across the universe's lifetime. It's a way to glimpse the universe's history. Measuring light from deep space isn't easy. From Earth, sunlight and interplanetary dust obscure these faint signals. But New Horizons, far from the Sun, faces no such issues. Its Long-Range Reconnaissance Imager, or LORRI, has a clear view. In the summer of 2023, New Horizons used LORRI to scan the universe. The data was clear: most of the light we see originates from galaxies. And importantly, there was no significant light from unknown sources. This discovery is groundbreaking. It confirms that the majority of visible light is from galaxies, solving a mystery that has baffled scientists for decades. This finding supports the idea that our universe, although vast and mysterious, is comprehensible and measurable. New Horizons has already changed our understanding of the solar system, with its historic flybys of Pluto and Arrokoth. Now, it's contributing to astrophysics, helping us see just how dark, and how bright, the universe truly is. As New Horizons continues its journey into interstellar space, who knows what other secrets it will uncover? One thing is certain: this mission is far from over. Stay tuned to our channel as we continue to explore the cosmos, one discovery at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about New Horizons' latest discovery.